Crispy, juicy, bursting with flavour, this isn't just a meatball, this is a Greek culinary perfection. The secret to authentic bifteki? It's all in these fresh, bold flavours. Onion, garlic, parsley, mint, and just a touch of cinnamon. You're not ready for this. The secret to authentic bifteki. It's all about bold, fresh flavours. We start with finely chopped onion and garlic to bring that unmistakable aroma to life. Next, vibrant parsley and mint. This duo is the heart of Greek cuisine, adding freshness and depth to every bite. Sprinkle in oregano, the herb of the Mediterranean, and just a touch of cinnamon for a warm, unexpected twist. Blend it all together.
Breadcrumbs.
Great for texture and holding everything together. And you're just one step closer to the juiciest bifteki of your life. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add your ground meat, beef for a classic touch, lamb for that rich Greek authenticity, or chicken for a lighter twist. Whatever you choose, this is where the flavours and textures start to combine into something extraordinary. Use a measuring cup to scoop the perfect portion every time. No guessing, just consistent, evenly cooked patties. Shape it gently, you can use wet hands, then lay it into the sizzling pan. Hear that? That's the sound of bifteki magic happening. Golden and crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. Just look at that. Now the final touch. Dip it into cool, tangy tzatziki for the ultimate Greek flavour explosion. Delicious.
So what do you think of them like?
If you like what you've seen here today, give it a go and make these at home. Let me know in the comment section below if you did make them. Cheers. Bye bye. Here's some B-roll.